Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're encountering the unexpected kernel mode trap error on your Windows 11 PC, you're definitely not alone. This can be a tricky issue, but don't worry. I'm here to walk you through the steps to fix it. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Update your drivers. Outdated or incompatible drivers are a common culprit. Let's start with your display drivers. To update your drivers, press Win+X and select Device Manager. Now, look for display adapters or network adapters. Right-click and choose Update Driver. Select Search Automatically for updated driver software. Repeat this for other major devices like your network card and storage controller. If Windows doesn't find any updates, make sure to check the manufacturer's website for the latest drivers. Step 2. Run System File Checker. Next up, let's run the System File Checker to fix any corrupted system files. These files are essential for your system to run smoothly. Press Win+S, type CMD, right-click, and choose Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type sfc/scannow and hit Enter. This might take a while, but let it complete. If it finds any issues, it will automatically fix them. Step 3. Check for hard drive issues, CHKDSK. Now, let's check for any hard drive issues using the CHKDSK tool. In command prompt, type CHKDSK/F/R and press Enter. This will scan and repair any bad sectors on your hard drive. You may need to restart your PC for it to run. Step 4. Uninstall recent updates or software. If you recently installed new software or updates, they could be causing the problem. Go to Settings greater than Update and Security greater than View Update History. Click Uninstall Updates and remove anything that might have caused the issue. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps helped you fix the unexpected kernel mode trap error on your Windows 11 PC. If you're still having trouble, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.